is about 120 years old. So it had very few windows to start with. You can see, look on the side, only that one little window right there. So we're adding windows as much as possible. You can see we're adding 2 in the front. So at the back there, you're gonna have a 28 by 4 foot window right there, which is huge. And at the back, you got this massive window there, another double entry there. Hey folks, my name is JG. I'm with Visture Property Management. I want to welcome you to 53 Parkhill Road West. This property has been 100% rebuilt from the studs all the way back in. Everything on this property has been rebuilt other than the bottom foundation. Brand new kitchens, brand new floors, brand new walls, brand new redesign, in fact, completely brand new. This is an amazing premium property, and not to mention, it is right on the river. Your backyard is literally on the river. You have a view of downtown. You have no neighbor on the one side. You have access to parks, trails, walking distance to food, walking distance to downtown. It's quiet back here. Folks, this is the most incredible property. It will not be around for long. Make sure you submit your application today before it's too late, and we'll see you soon.